Are you looking to lose weight? Have you been trying really hard? The Rooibos Pure Herb Tea is probably what you're looking for. The Rooibos tea is said to contain no fat or carbohydrates and barely has 2 to 5 calories per cup. Today we're going to use the tea powder from a company called Tea Treasure. This is available on Amazon and I'll leave a link to this in the description below. What we do is we place a bowl on the gas stove, pour 200 ml of water and add 1 teaspoon of Rooibos herb tea powder. We switch on the gas and boil it for 5 to 7 minutes and then simmer until you see a golden color. Strain the tea using a tea strainer and add some lemon to it. Now add half to 1 teaspoon of jaggery or honey and stir well and serve hot.